Now, a question some of you may have is, where do I get my inspiration from for advertising and branding? And I'll say this applies to all business, any aspect of your business. Where do you get inspiration from? So I read a lot, I pray a lot, probably not as much as I should, but I travel a lot too. And so I'm constantly watching different cultures, different people, people in general, how they do things, how they interact with things, how they think, advertisements from different countries. And a lot of my inspiration comes from what I see, my interactions, my experiences. That's why I love traveling. So at the end of this month, the 22nd, I'm actually going to be in Colombia, in Medellin, Colombia, for a month. Medellin is one of my favorite cities. It was actually the city that I lived in for 2 or 3 months while I was running my e-commerce business. It was the first time I had a business that I can travel while running and not have to worry about being on the ground, because I was able to do it online. And Medellin just has a special place in my heart, and it's a place where I can relax. It's a place where I'm able to just reset my brain. And that's part of the inspiration process too, being able to reset, being able to just, sometimes you ever have some of your best ideas in the shower. It's kind of sometimes when you turn your brain off after you worked hard, that's when it just goes into drive and you're spinning out ideas and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm going to use this, I'm going to use that. So sometimes the shower unlocks your ideas or something else. Or if you go out on a walk in the morning or evening or whenever you go out for a walk, my goal is to do things that, one, expand your mind, but also allow your mind to relax, because the best ideas often come when you're not trying to come up with an idea. So I would say make sure you leave time for that. And I'm not the work-life balance guy. I'm really not. My girlfriend's trying to get me to be more of a work-life balance type of person. So I'm not saying this from like a balanced mindset. I work hard, I work 12 plus hours a day. But I also realize that the benefits of when my mind is off, sometimes I come up with the best ideas. And one of my favorite places to go, when I had this is shout out to Patrick Bet David, shout out to Damon John, because they also do this as well. And it made me feel comfortable doing this, because I was wondering what I was doing something wrong. Is I often go to movie theaters and go to the movies to watch a movie, because that's like the only place my brain turns off. I love what I do. I love helping people. I love creating ads. I love branding. I love businesses and running businesses and talking to entrepreneurs. So sometimes I'm just thinking about it so much, and I never can turn my brain off. Even when I'm watching sports or basketball or something. Soccer, not as much. I can turn off my brain when I'm doing that. But the only place other than that I really found my brain turning off is when I'm watching a movie. So I would often take breaks. I had the AMC unlimited movie pass, and I would do that, and that would allow me to turn my brain off, and so I can come back refreshed. And sometimes I have a great idea when I'm not trying in the middle of a movie. So do that, take some tips, run your business, do well. I can't wait to see you on the next video. Please check out my last video on just do it, how to run, that you have to run ads, and just go. Don't think about it too much. Don't get paralysis by analysis. Go forward, conquer, run your business. Don't worry about mistakes, all of that good stuff, okay? So this is Achumboro Ataande. This is Ataande Business Media. Please check out more videos, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, like and share this video. After coronavirus and everything that's going on with employment, we need a lot more small businesses to be created. We need your businesses to thrive. So I need you to share this with other business owners so they can grow or start their business, so we all can grow together. All right? Hope you're doing well. God bless.